Hi Songlo, I will be visiting Parliament for the very first time.
I know. Say hi. ringi ni mo dita Tibet de.
Escaped from Tibet when I was just 5 years old.
For Tibet Day this year, we'd like to bring your attention and focus to the Ontario Parliamentary Friends of Tibet program.
갈 곳이 잘못라 뭐 이렇게 따라 스텝도 지워서.
Mari takas. Hey everyone, hi Songlo this delay. Ani tharing Toronto Ontario Parliamentary Friends of Tibet Tibetan Women's Associations of Ontario ki Tibet Day celebrate china resha Parliament la. Tharing resa thakba re dura chedang sangmalo la thakar sa tharing ginyen tung di namgyu ginyen tung namada chik chei dura tharing ginyen tung di na tharing chinda chube chenga phegi nimu resha and Tibet Day resha ra chedang adi gang so samso ani tharing nga Canada Toronto Ontario gi Parliament and the Chocho gang dila joya gogap chungsura chezang gogap nangi disu relana Chocho Sunny Sonam la and the Canada Toronto Ontario gi RTYC gi president chadi dura kona ani Chocho Sunny Sonam la ning thapani thujina shyeyin gogap sangbodi nawadila. So today is the 5th of June and today is the Tibet Day. So as being a member of RTYC, I will be visiting Parliament for the very first time. And that too as a guest, so I'm excited and quite nervous at the same time. So before I start this video, I just want to say a huge thanks to Chocho Sunny Sonam for always believing in me and for the support, for the chance, for the trust you have always shown in me and giving me this great opportunity to visit Parliament. And I must say he's so dedicated, trust me guys, he's so dedicated to offering such a wonderful opportunity to young generation people like us. Chocho Sunny Sonam la Toronto in the Toronto chashana the opportunity the kokap khari me changma yo the manjuru and the young generation la khang mangmonte to tapshi chidura on the la ning tawone tujina shyeyi Chocho Sunny Sonam gi invitation de kurso ya karti poster de kurdi sambala tengi Chocho Sunny la geja team ba ya nyelengi nga lopto yu lemba lopto yu cheza machine phat do ne khari chigori lemba nga yo khekush ko machuni yo ni nga de mena nga de milan jok so do ya on chini ni Chocho Sunny la khachi go len mix geja team ba ya khajina parliament no do ya de sambala. Of course, I'm not a politician. Nga politics kala khekuch knowledge me yo on the nga district shares yo nga khekush singi me le ra ni machine phat do nga khari chigori lemba and Chocho Sunny Sonam ngala phone le ne as a guest of phat do ya ni phat do khajina na acha budi la the parliament la on the la chigori ra MPP re and the member of parliament yo on the sambala the Karin chik lunch to chik through chair to party do yo as a guest to there is a young shira how go mas yo and the padoning how good young because how mean tang nga sawa ranga kekush politician dine kekush kan knowledge me le ranga shingi me le ra Chocho Sunny Sonam kyo mari sai ra even I'm also learning less yo nga enta shini jangyu less yo ni ti rile juju endless padora kyo new experience chiksa dura lasya the pa yes sa just awadi thong dure parliament nang khari gari chigi me chigyora on changma thong gere lasya ani ni of course why not le khajala na ta ngala ente opportunity apure dura pha dura tam ta ngade chinjura ta mi kemba mi tho ta ngale sheja yende da thongya thogya ma ta khari mu khari to ina nga phane mi chan jangya reira chesangi yo di relemba ta nga khekku shingi medala inele nga pha duira ni padone teng khachigi yume kharjunga rishira ha gumira inele ta padone tare anda chuju chuwa yesha ni chudang kam chunga la Chocho Sunny Sonam la de malenga lire anda nang la ya thangbo dila tharing Tibet Day im basong sa ni tharing parliament gang do ran chang chuga khendu ni nintung thamabado sirona nga hawo maso khari chigi me khari junggi me ni phator khinjala tingi chigo ani tanga video ga allowed you me on the anga hawo maso kesi allowed me na ni nangle ne tishi ga go kesi allowed you na ni phator ani tongo khajla na parliament dinded la khara this restricted area ra chang ani ni phator ne konjala keja thigo ya kya chuirla na ni this can 견절에 떼온 거 아니 견절 아니 돈 담아봐도 싫어나 아니 니 노도 요 레와ye bye Let's go. 추워. 아니 가 요즘에 추웠던 거 섬서 마정이라. 니다 저거라. 니 계속 발랐던 거. 바이바이. 아니 chocho sunny sonam la page le science ring all message list yo nang chilo yo den. 저디. 계속 했던 거. chocho sunny sonam la moda nandu. Just let it. Video yana digora.
Huh?
Video yana digora. Okay.
Welcome, sis.
Thank you.
Very hard to go. How good are
Yes.
you? Sure?
Yes.
Okay. So back with them.
Ani de atang jo Tim Hojan ne
How are you?
ngai.
It's okay, no worries.
Because you were facing
Yeah. You thought maybe I'm like tapping. Should be good. Thank you.
And a straw.
Yeah.
Have a good day.
Can you one more straw?
Oh yeah, sure.
Ice
There you go.
cream for me.
Thank you.
Thank you, Jojo.
Take care.
Bishop. Straw nile.
가리 남기 yes.
아,
가리 남기 왜 저거 올라?
아니, 예, 우리 가고요. 그것도 내가 아니, 예, 주는 그 처박 온 거, 그 나도 접속 그 깨라 듣고 있지 마 저렇게야. 그래도 처박이요 생각 나를 요니요 맞지?
이거 그죠? 나가.
네, 아저요.
이거. 라. 언니네.
뭐야?
이 베이징 초 베이징.
얍.
나 초보 개 신기해라. 요 신기해.
야, 깨라.
뭐뭐 사 신기해라. 뭐뭐 서 신기해.
야, 저거 뭐 사야 말다.
왜 럽지죠?
어.
这有什么问题的？啥不来？
啥么事？
我那这样。三娘。
Behind the scene re parliament ma dung yulan behind the scene.
그래 잘로니 샤요 말 버추다 다체 맞아. 그저 버추지 이제 다들 지그래네. 엄마
어, 되지나.
그래 안 되지 주다.
这是三句这个啥？
네 주다.
Tibet.
그래. 디마들 줘. 라바지 카말로. 어딘
뭐라 이거 지금.
오야. 오야.
要说你走不是走？
아 그래 간데도 저저 드리초 도샤.
저 추워요 대샤 저 바울라. 아니 chocho sunny sonam mani khade. 저 바울 이에 차서.
아빠가 말했잖아.
他我是买的，你
그래
妈逼的。
간데도.
啊，就是两的民度。
무다데.
니 베이징 시 정말
나 사지 봐.
쏜다.
쿠쿠치 어디 저도
어, 야구 경시, 야구 경시. 어, 야구 수였어, 야구 수였어, 야. 듣기만 하자 말이야. This is Sula Shawana. The Keradi, and then I'll lose him better. Alla, Tangara mashing in inside. Ah! Oh, here you go.
What's it? Okay, let's go guys.
Piangla. Cameraman. Sounds serious. 어떤다?
네 걸다 아주.
딜라 아자. 당한저 레소 디레 parliament.
ये केस योरवा नेपालले लगिगो यसो वन्जु योरा
Tibet flag.
कोको छुबा कोदो छुनी छुबा कोदो दे उनी सेबे उचाको मारदा
말해.
मारदा 디 छुबा지 도와 너니 니졸 야가네 사조 체죠 맞은 네마 벨 디디오라 데 छुबा 델 콜멘트 치와 데 이르마 같이 샤요 디데 단다 초소도 같이 못 와. 데 텐졸 야레네 납중하고 야레 납주 데 텐졸 레네 사도 저 별 디데 요마르
알레.
저바디
아니 언제 빵된디 파 별라 원디를라서.
반대.
언다 에프론도 컬러스 디서 마세 엔도 레라 마세.
오늘 제베는 반대세야 툴로 공부와 툴로 고자는 반대 요는 그 전에 툴로 접속가 말이 니니 다 응님만다 되는 주 잘라나 가서 좋아 줘야나도 지 가래나 주셔라 아니 반대들이 코치주 저디노는 가래나 루초라 룩되고요라 이래
야 주주 다른기 건도
예,
다른기.
오케이 다른기 니모디다 티베트 탕구어디 차고래 아니 온타리오 파르리먼트 프렌즈 오브 티베트 기타 고티치니 다 고티라 조 고티치니디 가란소다 유나메나 CG 유나메나다 고티라 kabuche ki goti chin chin nang gore an thalo ta nge gi jawa ke ja kheshumu khalen na dela ngazo sani shuni kembe mangbu chi sir international human right dela gunga inde thangbula dela nimasum congressration there
오, 이래 먼저 토론토 온타리오 파르리먼트 캐나다기 연매나 메인 컬러 오피스 여러 어디 오라와 레요레 안데 토론토 이제 디레샤 아자 정말라 아니 직강 직뉴스 쉐나 미슬레
어디로 들어와?
야
벽이 모두 숨으시자. Ontario Parliament Friends of Tibetan. 안탄다 RTYC 고각절라 투지나.
야. 아이디 아니 안다 어제 남로 주에레 남로 딜라 니폰 난다 야충문도요 아니 가서데 에어포트 restriction to the ID card 당가가 되모도요 언디 안다 조선이 손남 ID card 키니 도서 아니 질 남로 두고 아니 안다 어제 남로 주에라 entrance 아니 가서 체크 사서
지나마.
데데데 조선이 손남라 조마라 아자 정말라
초초 스로랑가라 구셔대
안다 가칼레
간주주딜링게.
간주주딜링게 속소라 소나마랑갈라 구디오리스
어찌체
아니 대원도 디테스토 visitor
말했지
visitor
아무로
room
안 가야
228 and
한다
230
주제기.
저저 동바래 디기래 이거말
visitor
이거말래 저저 동바래 디기래 this is the thing in consenil gag now 괜찮디
ngada de role yes
얘네 칼리리 피네 가다 말라.
걔네 막
제 지침을 안 주시죠
미니 블록스 어디 미니 블록.
갈 보시 자마라 뭐 이렇게 따래 스텝 도 치워서
mari das
가자.
그래 아주 가셔
반대 초초 초츠 패셔 내가 저 반대 초초 저런데
주저 어디란다. 땡땡땡땡땡. 어디 가 빈이 좀.
진짜 제디라 저쪽에 있는 제디라
셰프다. 아무나 얼씨.
아직도 내 싸워르셔 아주
셰프.
재밌는 레서가
아니
저 바오라
잠깐 먹을래
테모 몽골레 차샤 아니 조선이 손남나다 코र्स 인데이라 아니 nga 테모 당고리 아니 아자 부리 라갈 보시
너번에 저런데 쉬야는데 제마디 너무 제마디 가서 쉬는 게데 딜레 랑게로 부두 수체리다
되게
오늘 산에 도로도기 쉬니기 나도 소노 쳔보를 나 되고라 군조
투즈나 저 슈레스
오늘 제메메다 군조 저 가레나 진에 시에 도고도 아니 니기 저 니만 유튜브들에 줘야지 왜 뭐고 통수 나 니다 인지하고 치니면 들어 니 로바들 니 주비봐 그지에 시에 줘라 근데 페마스 봐요
I noticed that he sent me a message in 11 but that time I was driving.
the elevator lagudiyers lift
Is it second floor or no? Second floor? Sure. Oh, pleasure. Thank you.
Chef
Thank you.
thank you
Thank you for
so there also second floor thank you
하죠.
That's what I'm saying.
Yeah, that way. Tewkesbury Palace, far west, was less than
So this is the view. And I'm going to do those. The room number 228. The visitor go to the Jarshemba. Oh, the suitus, the suitus. Just left. Chubuchum. Aha, moment. Just left. Let's say, washroom name, Bama. Mandatory mirror selfie.
Will enter the board. Some education
Just left.
community
Just left. First time.
YouTubers click that. Oh my god.
I'm there.
저도 옆에.
The 나물렸어. 나물 야구 진짜 뭐라?
Just left.
Just left.
chicken shop. The veggie.
Oh, okay.
The beef shop. Gar chonye to the church.
Familiar to the first time relasa. Ne yagu shu 13 dangsha. The color relasa.
이거 싫어 알기랑나.
아직 일로 키워.
그냥 beef shrimp.
No, beef no. Ngap yes, yeah. The beef resha. The veggie momo.
beef 더 먹어?
Need it. I need the chicken momo resha.
근데 치킨이
The salad resha.
저는 스벨 너무 좋아.
탄다고도 칠라미엘랑 초기도 나 결혼이라 거기도 나 결혼이라 거기도 파마 미드 결혼이라 땡기도 나 결혼이라 거기도 나는 기강이가 들고 와 인욕자시 민가 이세게 파말레 주마시 럽다 드라미
I want you to meet this, especially her. Yeah. Especially her.
Great, thank you so much for coming.
Of course.
Nice to meet you too. So we just finished right now.
Let's
People should be coming in, so let's get ready.
Let's bring them. Moment capture said that.
Yes, thanks.
But ये चीज़ लगा, वो खाली लगा. यहाँ तो ये चीज़ लगी नहीं है, बहुत लगी.
The Tibet flag. 아니, 내 저쪽에
Thank you all for attending our annual Tibet Day reception. I want to begin with a land acknowledgement. The land on which we are on is governed by the Dish with One Spoon Welcome Bell Covenant and includes the following nations: the Anishinaabe, the Chippewa, the Haudenosaunee, and the Huron-Wendat, and most recently the Mississaugas of the Credit River. And we give thanks to the indigenous people who have and continue to live on these lands and thrive on these lands. I also want to thank the Tibetan Women's Association of Ontario, who are our hosts and sponsors for this reception. Let's give a hand. We have a few representatives from the Tibetan Women's Association joining us this afternoon, and they are Yanchin Joma, Vice President. Maybe give a wave, Yanchin. Tenzin Yanchin, Secretary. Yishi Choden, Programs Coordinator. Tibetan and Sonam Joma, Religious Coordinator. Dilka Pasang, Joma Joma, and Lindsay Momo, Cultural Coordinators. Thank you so much. So for Tibet Day this year, we'd like to bring your attention and focus to the Ontario Parliamentary Friends of Tibet program, which is based here at Queen's Park. It's a non-partisan program, and one of the things that we do as the Ontario Parliamentary Friends of Tibet is run a summer internship program, a summer student program. It is a 6-week paid program for current or recent post-secondary graduates of Tibetan origin. They're placed in MPP offices from all political parties, and students get an opportunity to experience provincial politics firsthand and get a behind-the-scenes experience and on-the-job learning at MPP offices. And we have, for this year's cohort, 3 students placed in 3 offices in Conservative and NDP MPPs. And so for our first speaker, we have MPP Sam Oosterhoff from Niagara West, and he is joined by Tenzin Punsok, who is the student in his office.
Awesome. Well, Tenzin, come on up here. First of all, I have to say, Tenzin is someone I had no idea when I was bringing on an intern that he was going to be taller than I am, and I wasn't sure at first how I felt about that, but I think I feel pretty good about it now. Tenzin is someone who I've had the privilege now of working with for a little over a month. He has been absolutely fantastic. He has been someone who has expressed a lively curiosity about every aspect of this building. He works hard, he shows up early, he makes sure he stays late, and he is someone who knows exactly how to get things done. So I'm so proud of Tenzin to see his growth in the past month, his care for Tibet, his willingness to learn about every aspect of this place and what that work entails. But one of the things he didn't tell me was how incredible the food is. And so I want to thank the Women's Association, the Tibetan Women's. Thank you again for an incredible I believe I was told that those dumplings were handmade. Is that correct? You handmade those dumplings at the community center. Is that correct? Yes. That's incredible. So everyone, just recognize how unique that is, just to be able to have really a true piece of Tibetan culture here come through this association. Our gratitude goes to you. And my thanks to Butilla for her work in organizing this internship. I just want to give a shout out to any colleagues who are here and encourage you to consider this next year if you have the opportunity to participate. It's 6 weeks. It flies by, but in that time you have the chance to get to know someone who I now consider a friend, someone who has richly contributed to our office. He's been down to Niagara. He had a chance to enjoy some of the beauty of the Niagara region as well as experiencing this place. And in doing so, he's enriched my life. I know he's enriched the lives of my colleagues in the office and added in so many ways to the good of the people of Niagara and the entire province. So Tenzin, thank you for your work. Appreciate the Parliamentary Friends of Tibet, and I encourage you all next year to sign up. Make sure you get an intern.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Lindsay Pinzo. I'm an intern for the Ontario Parliamentary Friends.
And I believe these kinds of programs are vital for the younger generations to understand the system and be part of it. So let's continue to support each other and respect the diverse traditions that make our world vibrant and interconnected. Thank you. Tashi Dele, Kristen Walstan.
Hello, Tashi Dele. My name is Pujungata, born in Tibet, and I escaped from Tibet when I was just 5 years old. And it's been over 15 years since I haven't seen or heard from my family back in Tibet. Now, the only dream I have is to visit my homeland, my family members, just one time. And I don't think it's just my dream, it's shared dreams of Tibetans outside Tibet. Today It's Wednesday, we call it Hakar. And on every Wednesday, Tibetans all over the world, they try to wear Tibetan dress, they try to speak in Tibetan, and they try to eat Tibetan dish. So we have momo here. I hope you are liking momo. Do you see a Tibetan flag and a portrait of His Holiness the Dalai Lama here? Yes. In my own country, Tibet, having these are considered illegal. So I wanted to thank Canada, especially Ontario, for being our home away from home and helping us to preserve our culture and tradition. I think it was on March 1971 when the first Tibetan immigrant came to Canada, and that was the first non-European refugee accepted in Canada. So I wish to thank everyone for coming here, and today Tibetans are not just thriving, but they are willing to contribute to the community. For that reason, we have a people representative from Rotary Club of Tibetan Toronto Tibetan, and we have many community leaders here. So I hope you will get some time to network with them and share, listen to their stories. I wish to thank Putila and also Christian Longtown for giving me this opportunity to really understand the system and be part of the system, and encouraging me to do more, be more, and become more. Thank you so much.
Okay, and I also, of course, had a student in my office this summer. Come on up, Shodup. So Shodup joined me, has a background in international relations, and comes from, actually he's going to school at Georgetown in the United States. And right away, you know, Shodup hit the ground running, has been a really important and valuable member of our team, has written so many speeches and done a lot of research and good work. And it's really been such a pleasure to have you, Shodup. Organizations, we have the Canadian Tibetan Association of Ontario. I see our president here, please. Representatives from the Regional Tibetan Youth Congress, representatives from Canada Tibet Committee, representatives from Dokam Chushi Gandruk, and is that it, right? Oh, of course, the Tibetan Women's Association, our leaders here today. Okay, well, especially for MPPs and staff, please check out the program. I encourage you to participate next year. It is a non-partisan program and has been going on for 6 years. It's our 6th year, and it's really a mutually beneficial program. So thank you so much. Enjoy the food, the music, and please mingle with the Tibetan community. Thank you.
body session resha feminine to body chigyo re tani khala da thama thadi feminine to chigyo re
이들이 죽박이야, 죽박이야.
너무 몰라가다요.
주다, 죽박이. 주다, 주둥이 죽박이야.
네.
Yeah. 1, 2, 3. Look at here. This is going to be an official page. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
저다 아 부질러 냠도 맞게
That's the portion. That's the portion. Okay.
anda yo mi sangma interaction chi desha ani MPP local MPP da sangma nyam yo interaction che par kya chi desha da par kya chai da legislative member da elected member da sangma desha 닝바 임베 curious
조조 두 가지
그지 storage full 차도 보래
This is the cameraman they should
cameraman
sorry this is the color another 이게 동대 oh sorry so sorry he didn't see it
가래?
the cameraman the front the 피게 되니 성규시인데요 evidence someone the super party
할래?
ला ओके ओ यहाँ फोन स्टोरेज फुल छ या निगा आज फोन भिडियो क्या दे स्टोरेज फुल छ सो तांग जो दे पर के नि सा पर के रे म्यूजियम सॉरी ता नंगलो एंड दो रेशा हम सब फानी लेगे 아니 나 언제 내 너무 상마 딱 찼어.
시즌 1년 뒤에 또 말해 기념프로 가방 we were looking for you
I'm so sorry.
no we were searching for you thank you for accepting one of
Oh, my pleasure. He's a wonderful man.
알려서 된 게 스피치 사주죠.
Can you read? Can you take that? You don't have the garbage can? Sorry. And can you also stand here as well? Sure. That way we have like another person. So
I'll do it for him, but do you want to be in the picture too?
Come here.
finally we were meant to win so that's why
Okay, beautiful. Thank you. Let's get a photo.
Yeah, exactly. So,
아니 나 오늘 빠르게 찼어요. 빠르게 체 아니 빠르게 무슨 폰이 계속 오늘 빠르게 데샤 안다. 오늘 지나 아주 강나 따가져 치르다요. 양 혼자 파 restricted area 됐어요. 아니 제가 혼자 세션도 초대나 아니 아주 나눠 주치면돼요. 제가 나눠 줘라 마서 나눠 그대요. 아니 ground floor 나가랑 레샤. Yeah. 아주 내 이거는 뭐 되래 다 돼래.
차차. 너무 거에 저 거라.
랑싱이 지 거라.
thank you this
안식을
아주 내가 아주 시대 빠르게 차이. So this is chili fry.
أنا زمزم بانون سلامبا ناري جاغريب تلانا سنتامبا أنا غدون بطونا زمزم لاني نانغا جاغا سيمنان كالوكا وتامبا أنا زمزم بانون سلامبا ناري جاغريب تلانا سنتامبا أنا غدون بطونا زمزم لاني نانغا 나 결혼이 럭하기도 나 결혼이 럭하기도 파마 메도 결혼이 럭탱기도 오니 나
나 줬어. 회사 진짜. 회사지.
this better 지금 lemma사
귀여워. 레머스. 주주 드시나.
인데
Bye.
okay bye
Thank you so much. 또야. 사과드레. 정말로 아니 있었던게 나 조르셔. 아니 나 조르 마상아 텔라 간라게 왜 오타디치 아니 팔하고 고시 타가 좀 봐야. 제가 어디게 년동 죽되라마셔. 아니 안다 죽듬 년동 데서 샤고 섬셔. 아니 야 드링 티베트 아니 셀레브레이트라 디 캐나다라 셀레브레이트 데섬발라 파parliament 저 거급 중소라 아니 땅도 미다 토 유럽파 MPP da the elected member da parliament ngajme mi mang chile shaya odi mingling gangza ta khari represent chola na like onjo Tibet la support yelingi mi de zera like onjo mi to den jo pa changmal le dura ondila inda ko ni to jina shei ni phala mi ta to genya le ra ni le disambala konjo interact chi disambala nga ya ta mangu patient la sura ta saw mangu patient sura Ani ya thar ende do resha ta nga Tibet de rele de symbol nga ngara khare expect chi ro Tibet lo resh khajina na Tibet de rele de symbol ta namgyu ta function da ta khare mo khare event ni ne ta celebrate chi symbol like the performance to ta the speech to you give ende do ya ra nga ende do expect chin da ya phala ende do march ta me this told and so someone led to rapale and parts of indirect change project ratio on the choosing machine or Kazana Konzo schedule to your bad tight ratio Nikonzo lunch break to your mother on the project palesha Konzo color this color the momo shadow ya momo the select to color say the interaction achieve machine but in the mixing into your schedule bad tight ratio also they do interact change to go Yabura soira and Chezampala interact chiche Dharan Rishadanga Ngani in the Rusamsaya the question answer session in the Chikiro only and to raise some strong a begla nangla the not bed to your diary the pen to among taking to your like the speech to let somebody tear the not down chair any then do you raise some question answer session to your end of Minduya any padura the interact change Purisha the personalization like the hidden location the curry interaction so the barrier and the manchi that the Tibet the symbol of course that Tibet contest the shira on the puzzle in the keshe ani the as a budila da ni phala student kashi chikdura kunzu da ni and the chupujung yura the aha moment gaje koi speech kashi test yo ani dagaran duresha chuzik mashio maraon diki this kangyo gyo chisra and the next khonsama suzu lakala low dose yo ani anju anju low lere ani low maling and also phala the parliament nanglo la this chik to do like this time ra of course now kangza the video get thui maraya and on the this shin game ba on dagaran re ra tharing video tingyo chik da on the dagaran re of course nga phala the ngarang khari phala dile da manga chiore de ne lenga kangza video nang capture chuitu maraya ni anzo phala minyam interact chidi sambata on this khala the confidential do round chinanga record chera masya record chinanga the video na lume khajana na this confidential do chei dura chezanga lo chungmaso ani of course nga interact the anzo pa interact che yago bera su ra chudijik machine do le de ne this keshe ko ba raso ni chezang kibu chungsura anjigang phala restricted area mangbu be dura ani chezang video kera maso ni ngarang ne gang to de try chira onchlang on ditani thosang do pa jeso so de parliament actual parliament chikira nanglo la jeso khante so gore mi to jeso aji room chikira on de ga ada do de sapala ta chungma so khajina na ko session do chikira sare ra on chine allowed me do yo ani allowed yo na ya ani de camera ga chu mi do camera ta bat not allowed ratio allowed komi do ni so so de tanna mashia shebanga kido lo tong samsaya on de chuma so ani shebanga phala mangche de do the nyama history den so the display chi sha gyo ta the museum type ya do mangbo dura on de sama display chin sha with the description chikera on de che ni ya mangche do ra resha ni konso conference so do the media news shedu da chigero camera da sama on the end ro sha do ya room nangla ani ya edit do chigresha ni da monday langa ya pa oro wala chik do gu du da ra khajna na da nga dela the parliament la dosa ya edit do phala do che pha da district du ma che ani ke she communicate che the interact che du ma do che ra ratio pha federal ga che meet zura member nyam do ani inelanga the sure mindu renga to paresha inele ani ya ada yungi to be monday my by shamba next to next monday de wala yan chig yesarira on the Chocho Sunny Sonam clearly lamasra ani chezam maybe like on the langa participate chituna chera shamba di monday de la da this kale haburo chasarira shamba yang pha do tuna ya go be to khajana phala museum ya ga che ani keje yo pha message khare kan me che na this ya ga do chungsarira but anyways the next the mangbe yura da they do participate che try che ira ni tharinga pha do che experience la ne re ta she mang pe rasra cheza ni tharing ni ma ki kyu chung so ni nga de le che the Canada le changa de expect chi me ra le nga de do go ha re re sam ma sia in le nga go ha bra so ni jo science nam la tu jin na she yi ya ta ga ran do re sha nin tung ani kesi kyunzo nin tung tharing nin tung do chung we na don't forget to like share subscribe and comment down below and I will see you in my next vlog till then take care bye bye